and welcome back. Does your skin feel dry during the winter months? Does it itch, scale, and turn flaky? Do you get tired of applying a moisturizer over and over as a result of the dryness? If you do, then this video is for you because today I'm going to share with you some winter skincare hacks that would make your moisturizer last all day. The cold winter weather can be very harsh and the skin dries out very fast. This change of the skin as a result of a change in weather calls for adjusting our skincare routine so as to keep the skin moisturized all the time. One important thing that we need to do is to hydrate the skin. Because the skin loses moisture and dries very fast during winter, look for a moisturizer that would hydrate the skin. When purchasing a skincare product for use during winter, look for one that contains glycerin or hyaluronic acid. These tend to lock in moisture. Another thing also that you can do is to apply a moisturizer twice a day on your face and all over your skin. This is an essential step because it helps keep dryness away and helps maintain a moisturized skin throughout the day. Yes, the next important and essential step that you can take to maintain a moisturized skin throughout the day is to moisturize on damp skin. That is, after you've taken your shower or your bath, rather than using your towel to dry your skin before you moisturize straight away. Avoid wiping yourself dry before you moisturize. This helps lock in moisture and prevents your skin becoming dry during the day. Number 4, which is also very essential, use a sunscreen every day. This is non-negotiable because even though the weather is cold and there is no sunshine, protecting the skin from harmful UV rays is still important and must be done daily. It is advisable to choose a broad spectrum sun cream with at least sun protection factor 30 and apply it generously on your exposed skin like your face, your neck, and your hands. And the last but not the least step that you can take to keep your skin moisturized throughout the day is to stay hydrated by drinking a lot of fluids, especially water. Drink enough water during the day. For an adult, the recommended amount of water you need to consume in a day is 2 liters or 8 drinking glasses. This will help your skin feel moisturized from inside out and would help prevent excessive dryness during the winter months. Also try to consume a lot of fruits and vegetables, especially ones that would help you stay hydrated. I have a video on foods that can help you stay hydrated, and please do check that out to update your knowledge on some of the foods that would help you stay hydrated during the winter months and help your skin stay moisturized throughout the day. By following these steps, you would ensure that your skin looks healthy, beautiful, and well protected throughout the winter season. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you very much for joining me once again. I really appreciate your time with me. Please don't go without giving this video a thumbs up. Share with your family and friends. Leave your comments and your questions in the comment section. If you haven't yet subscribed to this channel, please hit on that subscribe button and also on the notification bell so you don't miss any of my interesting videos. Thank you once again for your time today, and I hope to see you soon in my next video. Bye for now.